Create a retro glitch text effect with RGB in Adobe Illustrator. Type your text, remove the fill, then go to your appearance panel. The fill colors we'll be using are red, green, and blue. First, add a red fill. Next, go to FX, Warp, Flag. Make the horizontal bend in the negative numbers. I chose -15%. Under distortion, make the horizontal negative as well. I chose -25%. Go to the Transparency tab and change the blending mode to Screen. Back in the Appearance tab, duplicate your fill layer and change it from red to green. Click on Warp. Under Distortion, increase the horizontal number. Go to FX, Distort and Transform, Transform. Under Move, change the horizontal to 10 pixels and vertical to 20 pixels. Duplicate your green fill and change the color to blue. It's looking cool so far, but let's keep going. Click on Warp, increase the horizontal bend. I chose 15%. Under Distortion, increase the horizontal number and decrease the vertical. Click OK. Click on Transform, change the horizontal to 20 pixels and vertical to 5 pixels. And this is how I created it, but you can always play with the numbers and see what works best for you. And there you go. Now you have a retro glitch text effect done in Adobe Illustrator. Now you can create some awesome designs. Use it wisely. And if you want to see more cool stuff like this, make sure you subscribe and like. And don't forget to sign up to the Branded Baron mailing list to find cool things like this straight in your inbox.